Hello everyone, Coach Julian here, and today we're going to discuss how to properly demonstrate and perform a deadlift. So the first thing you want to do is approach the bar, and you want to make sure you center yourself on the bar. Make sure that the bar is about midway through your feet, feet shoulder width apart. Now what you're going to do, you want to make sure your knees are bent and your back is in a neutral position, and when you go down on the bar, you're going to make sure you're at a 45-degree angle. You're going to make sure that your buttocks and your hips are between your knees and your head. So when you're right here, you're going to make sure your arms are vertical. Okay. Now, you want to make sure that the arms is straight down just below your scapula with your head facing forward. Now, what you're going to do at this point, you can either do overhand grip or reverse grip. For the demonstration here, I'm going to do over-under grip. And again, you're going to place your grip just outside your shoulders. Grasping the bar, make sure you're going to pull tight, and then this is going to activate your latissimus dorsi and bracing to stabilize your trunk. Now, once I do that, I'm going to use my legs to push from the ground, which is almost like you're pushing through the floor. Going to lift the bar in a vertical path, keeping the hips low, the chest up, maintaining a 45-degree angle. And this is going to be your concentric motion. It's about 1 to 2 seconds in duration. And inhaling as the bar is lifted. Now, once I get to that point and I lift the bar just above my knees, I'm going to thrust my hips forward or push my hips forward to complete the lift. This should activate the gluteus maximus, and that will finish your lift. Now, you want to make sure you don't lean backwards or overextend yourself, because that can cause injury. Then you're just going to lower the bar back down using an opposite motion, and then you'll repeat the same operation. Now, on your eccentric motion down, you want to slow your pace down. It's about 2 to 4 seconds in duration, exhaling as the bar is lowered. Here we go. So again, feet midway, shoulder width apart, reverse motion, reverse hand grip, buttocks just above my knees, head in my head, reverse hand grip. I'm going to squeeze above my knee, hips forward, and then go down at the same time. So let's do that one more time. No talking this time. So again, same thing. Reverse grip, hands here, straight up and down motion. And that's your lift, folks. Thank you for your time. You have a great one.